The way we browse the internet hasn't changed in 10 years until today. If you are still using Chrome for your work or studies, you are doing it the hard way. You open 20 tabs to research a single topic, your RAM fills up, your laptop heats up, and you waste hours copy-pasting text into AI tools that, let's be honest, are probably stealing your data. This is Norton Neo. It is the first AI-native browser that finally solves both problems, speed and privacy. It doesn't just show you the web. It is an intelligent agent that reads, summarizes, and organizes your entire workflow for you. It literally anticipates what you need before you even ask. But the real game changer? This is built by the security experts at Norton. That means all this power runs locally. Your personal data stays locked down on your device, not on some random server. The link is in the description below, so go check it out. I'm going to show you a zero-prompt workflow that saves me hours of productive time every single day. Let's jump into the screen. Here we have the main interface of the Norton Neo browser. As you can immediately see, this is not your typical browser layout. It features an incredibly beautiful, clean, and minimalistic design. Right here in the center, they have prominently displayed a very bold statement: privacy matters. This is their way of assuring you that unlike other browsers, Neo does not store your chat history on their servers. It is saved directly on your device, ensuring that absolutely no data breaches can compromise your personal information. This search bar here is what they call the magic box. Let's put it to the test. I will simply type in a specific search query: latest AI video tools 2025/2026. Now typically, when you do this on Google, you are presented with a standard list of blue links. If I were doing research for a new video script, my usual workflow would involve opening 15 to 20 different tabs, clicking through each one individually, and manually checking if the content is actually useful or just clickbait garbage. However, Neo completely changes this dynamic with a feature called Peek. If you look at this Zapier link, instead of opening it, I simply click the Peek icon. It opens a preview window instantly. I can scroll through, find my data, see it's not exactly what I need, and just close the preview without ever leaving my search results. I'll do the same for the next link, Gisteo. I click Peek, check if the information is right, and if I'm not convinced, I close it again. And if you want to open it, you can do this by clicking on this icon. This speed is incredible. But let's say I want more details without opening the tab. Back here on the links, look at this specific summary option right next to the title. When I click this, it doesn't open the website. Instead, it brings up an overall summary overlay of that particular article. This gives me the key points immediately. But it goes even deeper than that. I can actually cross-question this data right here. For instance, I typed in a specific question about the market size mentioned in the text. In just a few seconds, the AI processed the query and provided a detailed answer. What is truly impressive is that the answer came with citations, links to new articles. And yes, I can even use the Peek feature on these new citations right here inside the chat to verify them instantly. Now that I have verified the data, so I decided to actually open this full article in a new tab. Once the page is loaded, if I want a comprehensive breakdown, I will navigate to the top right corner and click the NeoChat icon. Here, I can give it a direct command like, summarize this article. This is different from the search summary. This analyzes the full text of the open page and extracts the key takeaways. This saves me an immense amount of time that I would usually spend skimming through long-form content. This works seamlessly across different websites. Now, I want to show you a feature that truly sets this browser apart from Chrome: Smart Tab Grouping. We all know the struggle of having a top bar cluttered with unorganized tabs. I am going to open a new tab and search for something completely different, like the FIFA World Cup 2026 pool draw. Watch the top bar closely as I open this link. Did you see that? Neo automatically recognized that this content is related to sports and created a specific sports group for it. It categorized the tab automatically on the top bar without me doing anything. It understood the context of the page and organized my workspace instantly. Let's verify this with another example. I will search for the Stranger Things Season 5 release date. I'll click on this article from Netflix. As soon as the page loads, look at the top bar again. It has instantly detected the context and created a new entertainment group, placing this tab right inside it. This completely solves the tab overload problem we all face in Chrome, where we end up with 30 open tabs and can't find anything. Now, we come to what I consider the absolute most powerful feature of this browser. I currently have about 4 different tabs open related to AI video tools. In the chat panel, I can actually reference these specific tabs. By using the @ symbol, I can tag the All Video Tools context. I will select all 4 tabs I have open. Then I will give it a complex prompt. Analyze these 4 tabs and write me a 60-second YouTube short script comparing these tools. This is where the magic happens. Unlike using standard ChatGPT or Gemini, which often give you generic or robotic responses, because they don't have access to the specific live data you are looking at, Neo is analyzing the actual content of these open tabs. It synthesizes the information from these distinct sources and generates a high-quality, professional video script that is tailored exactly to the research I just did. It's like having a professional researcher and scriptwriter built right into your browser. But the workflow automation doesn't stop there. Let's say I need to send this script to my video editor. I simply go to Gmail and open the composition window. This is where Neo acts as a powerful writing assistant. I will click the assistant icon and type a simple command. Write a professional email to my video editor, requiring the final video within 12 hours. Look at this result. It hasn't just written a generic message, it has drafted a perfectly structured corporate-style email. It includes a clear subject line, a professional greeting, and explicitly states the deadline I mentioned. It did all the heavy lifting of formatting and tone adjustment for me based on a single sentence of instruction. This is efficient communication at its finest. Finally, let me introduce you to the memory feature. One of the biggest frustrations with AI chatbots is that you usually have to repeat your preferences every single time you start a new conversation. Neo solves this completely. I will simply tell the AI, remember that I prefer video scripts to be under 60 seconds. It responds immediately confirming that it has got it. To prove that it has actually learned this, let's go into the Settings menu. I will navigate to the Personalization tab and then click on Manage Memories. And there it is. You can see it has permanently saved my preference. Prefers video scripts to be under 60 seconds. From now on, every time I ask for a script, it will automatically respect this constraint without me ever needing to mention it again. This level of personalization, combined with the robust privacy security coming from a company like Norton, makes this browser a game changer for content creators. Oh wait, I almost forgot one more very interesting feature, the personalized feed. This isn't just random news. This feed is based on your personalized search history. So Neo automatically curates high-quality articles relevant to you without the tracking. And look at this, you can even peek at articles to stay updated instantly without cluttering your browser. It's a clean, private way to start your day. So that is Norton Neo. You get the speed of an AI agent, the organization of a smart workspace, and the security of a vault, all in one place. If you are serious about your productivity, you need to stop using browsers that just show you the web and start using one that actually works for you. I have left the official download link right in the description below. It is completely free, it works on both Windows and Mac, and it installs in seconds. Go download it, try that side panel workflow I showed you, and let me know in the comments if it saved you time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tools that make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.